Are you a culinary arts teacher looking for lesson plans, activities, resources to teach culinary arts? We have you covered with the Culinary Arts Teachers Club. Chris was a industry chef that transitioned to teaching culinary arts, and I, Arlene, have been in the education space for over 15 years with a master's degree in educational technology. And we created this curriculum to make life easier for teachers. And we love this space because it is easy for us to update, add new materials and recipes and videos to, and keep it fresh. Once you're inside the club, you'll see that there are courses. So we have an Intro to Culinary Arts course, as well as a Culinary 1 and 2 curriculum. And then we have a community of teachers, which is very exciting, that are sharing ideas. If you click on the Intro to Culinary Arts curriculum, you'll see that there's a downloadable scope and sequence for both curriculums and units for each of the topics and standards needed to teach Intro to Culinary and Culinary 1 and 2. Say you are working on food safety. You can click on the food safety unit. You'll see intro materials includes the lesson plans, bell ringers, exit tickets, as well as each day for the unit. So say we're on food allergies, you can click on that, teaching food allergies. It gives you an overview of what you will do that day. And then each item comes in a PDF, a doc, or PowerPoint, as well as an editable Google link. So you'll be able to click on these and it will take you right to the materials that you need. So for instance, if we wanted to do the guided notes for food allergies, you can click on that PDF and there are the guided notes for you. The same with the slideshows. Those are in Google as well as PowerPoint. So if you had been using Google and your school uses Google Classroom, it will make you forced to make a copy so that nobody can make changes to it, and you'll be able to head into the Google version of it. If you go back to the dashboard, you'll see that there's also a Culinary 1 and 2 curriculum that has a downloadable scope and sequence as well, and units. Say you're working on advanced eggs, dairy, and breakfast, you can click on that and you'll see that there's the eggs presentation that would come in a PDF version. And so here's the eggs presentation. We have the guided notes to go along with the presentation. That's usually how we introduce the topics. And these also include answer keys. And then you would go on to the questions and the students would be able to answer questions using either the PDF, Google, or PowerPoint version. You can mark this as complete and you can go back to your dashboard and you'll see that it takes you to resume your course the next day on lesson 2. Now we also have a Culinary Arts Teachers community in this membership. So if you take a look inside the community, it's very exciting. We have teachers sharing ideas. We have challenges that you can win an Amazon gift card for once a month. So this is a challenge and teachers are uploading recipes, including pictures of their students' work, and all sorts of fun stuff. There's also a Q&A section and of course, space to introduce yourself. And then you also have the option to purchase our Culinary Arts Workbook that is both digital and print. And everything that you need is right here at your fingertips. We rotate seasonal activities based on the season and holiday activities. And it is a very exciting place to be. If you have any questions, please reach out.